Hello guys, welcome to Spirotech 365. Today I am going to show you how to make screen shake effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's start. First of all, we need to create a sequence. We are doing it from the beginning. We have already done one screen shake effect and applied it. Here you can see this is a screen shake effect which we have applied. Now we'll insert our footage, we'll scale it to the frame size and some frames forward we'll apply our screen shake effect. We'll apply a transform effect from the effects panel. Now we have applied a transform effect from the effects panel and 2 frames forward into the footage. Click the scale button here, 1 and 2 frames forward. We'll add a keyframe here. Now we'll add a keyframe for rotation. Here. And 1 frame forward. We'll change the value of the rotation to 1. If we zoom in this, we can watch the keyframe which we have added. One frame forward, minus 0.8, forward, minus 2, and forward, this 2. delete this keyframe, this option, so and we'll create a new keyframe. Add a new keyframe here, and we'll add another and scale it. There is no edges. You can see there is no edges of the video or black edges in this footage. Now if we play this, there is a nice skin shake effect has been created. Copy this keyframe and paste it to here. Here again. Now to add some motion blur, uncheck this option and we'll make the shutter angle to 360. This kind of effect. Looks more better than before. If we see into the full window, by pressing Ctrl, there is a skin shake effect. So that's it for today. If you love and enjoy our video, please like, comment and share this one. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you.